It's amazing. Watch how OxyClean unleashes the power of oxygen.
Knife. This is me scraping the knife.
Hello, Mr. Chicken. You want to hear a chicken joke?
So we're doing a different point of view shot this episode. When I die in a tragic car accident. Dude, this is what happens when I run late for stuff. I push the time back. We don't tell Jack, so he's been sitting there for 10 minutes. Damn! Get out of here! Hello. Please stop. Oh, I got new sunglasses. I can't be Tommy anymore. Dude, it's Jack's home. Dude, he lives there. Oh, I don't want to get wood ticks.
Oh yeah, I also brought a tripod, but the thing cracked.
So,
No.
we went on a fishing trip, all right? And
I'm recording. So this just like random guy, some employer, just watches my channel. Dude, hit me up with a job. Drop a comment.
No, you already work at Fleet Farm.
Oh, that's good.
It's on the that's good YouTube channel.
No, how'd you find that's good? Oh my god.
And he showed me an Instagram video.
That's literally the line from the video. You have to check out my line of new frozen pizzas.
I'm giving away a pizza to your party. All you gotta do is comment. He's like, I commented so you can get a free, oh, that's good pizza.
really
Yeah, I strive to be the best.
it's
Dude, I'm literally gonna explain one of our like.
crap, whose dog is here?
That's not a dog. That's
Yes,
like,
it is, you idiot.
Dude, it's like a wolf. I'm a Boy Scout. You're not.
Really glad I'm recording this.
I'm just stating facts. We all know Girl Scouts sucks.
Not as much as Boy Scouts will.
If that's your one comeback to everything, you're gonna have a sad life.
That was your comeback!
Back. Oh, shh.
Let's do it right now.
I'm gonna die.
It's like you did that one day on the like in 3rd grade.
Just gonna back up.
I'm gonna like roll my ankle. You know, I'm pretty much just jumped off. Oh, Jesus Christ, no! Oh, no! No! Ah! Ah! No, I won't fit. Get in. What are you looking at? Dude, this is sketch, okay? This is like really sketch. Oh, Jesus Christ. I don't like this. It's not enjoyable. Yo, be gone. Oh, help.
You got yourself into this.
Help.
Check yourself out.
Oh my.
Day 24 sucks.
Aren't they releasing a new movie this year?
I'm so excited for Midsommar.
Isn't that the guy from Hereditary?
Ah, I'm gonna.
I should probably watch Hereditary. Like he's gonna get really mad
Are you
about it.
still recording?
Yeah, I did.
So you're getting the audio of you two talking. Okay, you know, we've worked with them. We're in the class, but I mean, we got to give props to, you know, KB&G. They put up a good fight, just not good enough. They didn't do good enough to beat us. Oh, we beat you by like 20 subscribers, man. That was like a year ago. That's, oh my God. Dude, KB&G, I mean, it could be a better channel if Tommy Gonzer didn't do so much.
Just,
Okay,
look, I'm gonna mediate this.
But no, all honesty, guys, you did pretty good. Put up a good fight. It was a long race. But I think in the end, material. I saw.
So when you guys like post people like
we're going to.
I hope they die.
not, you know. No. The point where I actually got stuck in the slide.
God.
Okay.
Get the feet. Get the feet.
It's like Quentin Tarantino.
How are we gonna get me out?
Someone's gonna have to go down the slide and try.
No, not her. You're the smallest one here. Yeah, remember, I'm also like 3 times the size of you. OMG, STFU, NGL, you're kind of annoying. Just get me out of the fucking slide.
You're worse than Tommy Gunther.
It's not gonna work.
It's gonna work.
You're gonna have to like lift from the legs probably.
Drink your milk, kids. I don't want milk. Milk's for babies.
Yeah, babies.
Oh yeah? Well, I happen to know that milk helps build strong bones. So drink up. Well, Mr. Miller told me he never drinks milk. Look at him.
Yeah.
Hi, kids. Hello. I'm Materialistic TV.
Scares here.
Hello. I'm Materialistic TV. And today we're going to be exploring the world around us. Look at the green grass in the trees. Oh, no, not nature. Plastic. Dude, this is a nature egg. I got it stuck. Okay, actually help.
Climb that wall.
Nature, man. Nature. Come here, let me invest you in nature. This just makes me mad. This isn't nature. They're ruining nature, man. Dude, look at, what is that? What is that? Water pollution. They're polluting the water. They're putting chemicals into the water. We gotta find clean water. This is unacceptable. That is not clean water. Dude, we gotta find clean water. We gotta find clean drinking water. Come on, let's go, cameraman. Come on, cameraman. We found it. Clean drinking water. This is clean water. Soaked. Dude, my hair is messed up. Dude, I'm drenched. Dude, end a nature walk. Nature's mean, and bullies are mean, and I don't like bullies. And you know what I say about bullies? Be gone, bullies. Speaking of which, new merch in the description below. In that merch store, anything with the Be Gone Bullies slogan, logo, anything. 25% goes to an anti-bullying campaign. Be gone, bullies. Be gone. Anti-bullying campaign, 25% goes there, and it's only the Be Gone Bullies merch. Make sure you go and get some today. You'll be the coolest of the cool in your friend group, man.
Wait, was that recording?
Yes.
The battery's gonna.
Hi, I'm Maddie, and you can follow me anytime down here.
Materialistic TV, Nature Cam, Part 1.
Nope.
Cameraman.
In the tree and
The
tried to find
description is, thanks guys for watching. I absolutely love driving.
Nature.
Especially because
Okay guys, looks kind of scary ahead up there. Where are you going? You can't just go into nature like that. Materialistic Cam 1 is active.
Well, why does this look like something bad? Like,
What?
this?
there's a
and then-
body under there. That's what's happening.
No, it's a big
Dude.
foot dent.
Okay, dude. Okay. Okay.
That looks like a body mound.
Materialistic TV, scare cam right here. So we're like 20 feet into the woods here in unknown land, Minnesota.
No, that literally looks like someone buried a body there.
And not a good job.
And dude, I think
Dude, that's not how you bury a body.
She- So this is where I want to go. So we're gonna make this as professional as possible. So what we're gonna do? Hold on, it's gonna be like just off like.
No, it
right.
stays at that.
Shut off the camera, so I'll be looking around. From like, you see where this new path kind of starts. You're gonna get it, and we're gonna follow all the way up the track. Okay guys, dude, I don't know. Dude, that Phoebe looking girl, what's her name? Maddie, yeah, Maddie. Yeah, and I don't know where they are, man. You know, guys, I don't know where we are. Holy sh! What? Dude, Jack and Jude went missing. Jack, the other from Materialistic TV, they're gone.
Do you know where they are?
Where'd you take them?
I don't know.
We need to look for them now, okay. What is this? What? This looks like someone tried to dig a grave, and it looks like they tried to dig another one. Jack, is that you? Where are you? Where'd you go? No, you've been gone for a long time. Where have you been? I want answers.
Living my regular life.
Then what's with the graves? Wait, so we know where you are. I never kidnapped anyone. That was all alleged. I never kidnapped you. Who did? Jack, who took you that day? Her?
What?
You kidnapped my friend. I never framed him for anything. It was all a joke, man. It was never meant to be anything harmless. Keep going. I'm coming for you. Where'd she go?
Hello, Mr. Chicken. You want to hear a chicken joke? Why does a chicken coop have 2 doors? Because if it had 4 doors, it'd be a chicken sedan. Chicken jokes.